Hello everyone, this is Jashwanti Mamdisetti, and today I'm going to share insights from our recent data-infused approach to Mitron Bank's credit vision. Mitron Bank is a well-established financial institution in Hyderabad. With its vision to diversify its product offering and increase its reach in financial market, the bank is set to launch a new line of credit cards. We as a team aims to assist Mitron Bank in customizing its credit card offering from the insights from our pilot project. This aims to strengthen the customer loyalty and meet the evolving market demands. The data set given to us comprises in details about 4,000 customers over a period of 6 months ranging from May to October, and these include major cities. And these all serves as a backbone for our analysis. The dataset includes two key tables, fact spend and dim customer. To ensure a clear understanding, we have organized our analysis into four main categories: demographic insights, spending analysis, payment behavior, and income utilization. Now, let us explore the demographics of Mitron Bank. And This is the interactive Power BI dashboard which I have created for the analysis. From this visual, we can say that the male forms a significant majority, comprising about 65% of the total customers. Nearly 43% of the customers fall within the low income bracket, and Mumbai stands as a hotspot for Mitron Bank, accommodating about 1078 customers. The business owners shows the highest average income around 70.09k, closely followed by salaried IT employees. Approximately 37.45% of Mitron Bank's active customer base falls within the age range of 25 to 34 years. And now let us dive into the spending analysis. Among the age group, the customer aged 35 to 45 emerges as the leading spenders, and the uh, top spending categories of this age range are bills, groceries, and then followed by health and wellness. And the ma- and the married individuals showcase a tendency to spend more compared to the single people. The salaried IT employees are at the forefront of spending with an average spending of approximately 31.39k. Customers allocate a significant portion, around 19.76%, towards bill payment, followed by groceries and electronics. And from this line chart, we can say that September witnesses a peak in spending, capturing about 21.84% of total. However, the spending experiences a decline in October, reflecting a fluctuating spending trend. Now, let us dive into the payment behavior analysis. I have added a multi-row card for highlighting the top users of credit card. These are the high-value customers of Mitron Bank. I have even added a drill-through filter for detailed analysis for high-valued customers, and monitoring their spending and payment habits helps us to tailor a personalized offers for them, and hence analyzing their spending behavior provides insights for future marketing and product strategies, helping us to capture a chunk of high value customers. About 40.74% of transactions are made through credit card, and young adults favor credit cards, and the 46.62% of the payments are through credit cards. About 41% of the transaction in Chennai are made through credit cards, which is the highest compared to other cities. And the credit card usage is the highest for travel related expenditure, which stands at 44.94 percentage. Now let's dive into income utilization analysis. Mitron Bank customers actively use about 42.95 percentage of their income on average, and in cities, Bombay leads in income utilization with 51.58 percentage, and in occupation sector, the salaried IT employees have a significant share at 50.93 percentage. These are the key customer segments which we have identified in our analysis. Based on that, Mitron Bank can create targeted and personalized credit card features, rewards, and benefits, increasing customer satisfaction. Recognize the customers in 35 to 45 age group often prioritize family needs. Offer credit cards with the benefits like custom insurance plans, design cards with extra rewards or cashback for spending on bills, groceries, health and wellness. And for married individuals, provide benefits like health and travel insurance. Design credit cards with enhanced rewards, cashbacks or discounts for transaction in spending categories like bills, groceries, and electronics. For salaried IT employee, offer special discounts or rewards for professional development, covering online courses, certifications, and workshops. Gain bonus points or cashbacks for technology related purchases, including gadgets, softwares, and other online subscription. Uh, for locations like Bombay, introduce reward tailored to Bombay lifestyle, such as discounts on local events, cultural shows, public transportation, etc. These are other recommendations that would ensure customer satisfaction and give Mitron Bank a competitive edge over its competitors. Customize credit cards for 25 to 35 age group, focusing on entertainment and online shopping. Also provide financial literacy resource to promote responsible credit card usage. For about 43% of the customers in the low income category, so ensure interest rates should match their financial circumstances and design cards with minimal or no annual fees. Provide travel discounts and festive offers on electronics and clothing for credit card holders with early access to sales events in September. Introduce a unique reward program contributing a percentage of each transaction to carbon offset initiative for a competitive edge. I would like to express my gratitude to Codebasics for providing this valuable opportunity.